Imagine learning 200 drug names and still not knowing why they work. Let's stop the memorizing and start the understanding. Starting right now with physiology. So, what exactly is physiology? In academic terms, physiology is the scientific study of how living systems function, how cells, tissues, organs, and systems work and interact to maintain life. Unlike anatomy, which asks what the parts are and where they are, physiology asks how they work and why. For example, anatomy might define the heart's chamber and valves, whereas physiology explains how the heart pumps blood, generates pressure, and supports circulation. You might ask, okay, but what should I care? I'm here to learn drugs, treatments, and disease. The answer, because physiology is your foundation. If you understand how the body works normally, physiology, then you can understand how it fails, pathology, and how drugs correct or interfere with that function, pharmacology. Understanding physiology requires examining the body step by step, from molecules and cells upward through tissues and organs, then to systems and the full organism. This stepped arrangement forms the levels of organization. At the molecular level, you might study how ion channels on a heart muscle cell open and close. At the cellular tissue level, you might study how muscle cell contract. At the organ level, you might study how the heart as a whole responds to an increase in blood volume. At the system level, you look at the cardiovascular system interacting with the renal and endocrine system. We have two key concepts. One, homeostasis, the body's ability to maintain a stable internal environment. Two, integration, how multiple systems coordinate. Suppose you're learning about a beta blocker. If you just memorize beta blocker reduces heart rate, that works, but you're missing the physiological story. If you understand the physiology, you know the heart rate is controlled by the autonomic nervous system. Sympathetic stimulation increase rate via beta adrenergic receptors. Blocking those receptors decrease rate and contractility, thus reducing cardiac output and oxygen demand. That's physiology leading into pharmacology. So, when you next see a drug, ask yourself, which physiological mechanism is it modifying? That mindset turns memorizing into understanding. Let's recap. Physiology is the study of how living systems function. It matters because it underpins pathology and pharmacology. The levels of organization are cell, tissue, organ, system. We learn two key concepts, homeostasis and integration. We connect the drug back to the physiological mechanism it modifies. Before we finish, let's test how well you've built your foundation. Quick quiz. Question number 1. Physiology mainly answers which question? A, B, C, or D? Question number 2. Which system directly increases heart rate via beta receptors? A, B, C, or D? If you learned something cool today, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more bite-sized medical lessons. Drop your answers and questions in the comments. Until next time, stay curious.